Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and hope you guys are having a great day. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on so you guys can get notified for a future video, and comment down below what type of video we should make next as well. And let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be telling you guys, can you still see your friends' Instagram activity? So in the past, Instagram used to show you your friends' activity, but now Instagram has removed the feature. In the past, Instagram used to show, let me give you an example. If I click on this heart, in the past, Instagram used to show me the notification of my friend. Like if some of my followers followed somebody, then it was going to be shown over here telling me that the anonymous person has followed this person and this person has followed this person. And if one of my friend liked a post or joined a group, then it was going to notify me over here telling me my friend has liked this page, my friend has liked this post, he has liked this comment, he has done this, that on the past. But now it doesn't, and there is no way you can unlock it through setting to watch it, because they have removed this feature due to some privacy reason. So the only way to see what your friend is doing on Instagram is to hack their account, and that is illegal, and you guys should not do it, because you guys can get into some serious legal action for it. Because if you're looking into someone's activity, then it's violating their privacy, and it goes against Instagram's terms and service, and your account might get banned, and if it gets serious, then you might go to prison. So yeah, you cannot see your friend's Instagram activity anymore. In the past it used to show, but now it's removed. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye.